Has your back pain or sciatica hindered you from going on vacation or stopped you from enjoying that quality time with your family? If so, then I have a special event that I would like to invite you to. It's the lower back pain and sciatica workshop that I'm hosting here at Orthopedic and Balance Therapy. Hi, I'm Dr. Arlen Alburo, and here's what you will learn at the lower back pain and sciatica workshop. During the workshop, we will discuss the 3 most common causes of lower back pain and sciatica. Number 2, you will learn how to handle them naturally without having to rely on medications, injections, or surgery. And number 3, you will learn techniques on how you can get back to doing the things that you love to do, including going out on vacation, enjoying that quality family time with your family and your friends. So I enjoin you to click the sign up button below, input your information, and we'll reserve a spot for you for the upcoming lower back pain and sciatica workshop. I will see you then.